Have you been using the Deepseek AI app and wondering on how to change your email address on it? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Deepseek AI app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Deepseek AI app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto two lines at the top just right here. Tap on it. Then here you can find your Google account just at the bottom. Now select it. Then scroll down and here you can find there are no any options to change your email. Now to change it, you need to log out from this account. Now tap on it. Just tap on to log out. And here you can see you have been logged out. Now to change your email, simply sign up with another email. And that's it. This is how you can change your email address in the Deepseek AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.